started with Fleet Kleen 5.5 years ago, and in the time that I have been here, the company has been growing exponentially. We have so many jobs and so much work that we are actually looking for some really good people right now who enjoy being outside and like a challenge and do some hard work, which is extremely rewarding. This is one of the few jobs where you get instant gratification. Within a few short weeks, we can have you up and running like you've been doing it for years.
Fleet Kleen benefits include industry-leading pay, paid overtime, company matching of retirement savings, funded AFLAC benefits, day shifts with limited weekends, working outside year-round, quality trucks and equipment, opportunities for advancement, and a values-oriented team environment.
Fleet Kleen is the place to be.